Hi, my name is Carmen Echavez, and welcome to my blog. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I'm so excited to try and to show you how to make Dalgona coffee. The viral, the famous, the trend now in social media. Everybody loves this coffee. So before anything else guys, I would like to give you a very brief story regarding this coffee. So the drink itself origins from India, Pakistan, and Macau, which is known as the whipped coffee or the beaten coffee. But it surged in popularity when it appeared on a Korean TV show last January. So this actor Jung Il-woo, who traveled to Macau and tried this coffee and give it the nickname Dalgona coffee because it resembles the traditional Korean sponge candy. So it looks like and tastes like the traditional candy of Korean, which is known as Dalgona. So he named it Dalgona coffee. So since then, it became famous in TikTok, YouTube, and in Instagram. So that's why we're doing the same, guys. But before anything else, if you have a different version of story, you can comment down below and share your story. So I'm going to try the Dalgona, guys, but I'm going to make a different Dalgona coffee with a twist, which is Dalgona coffee with salted caramel. So I'm excited to show you guys. Let's start. So here we are guys. Let's start. These are the ingredients and the things we need. So this is the coffee, the sugar, and this is the Kit Kat with caramel, with a caramel inside. I was looking for more of a caramel chocolate, but this is the one I found. And this is the salt. We just need a pinch of salt. So we have a caramel syrup, we have milk, we need a glass, a bowl. I need a bigger bowl so it's convenient for me to beat faster, and we need a beater. So let's begin by mixing the coffee, the sugar. These are 2 equal portions, like 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons, and we need 2 teaspoons of hot water. So I'll show you guys while I'm mixing. So I already poured coffee, sugar, and now the hot water. So beat it until the consistency become like a whipped cream. I need time to do it guys, so I'll be back when I'm ready. Look at this guys, it's become foamy now. You just need to do it faster and need patience. Maybe I'm already halfway, so I'll be back when I'm done. As you can see, the consistency is already like a creamy. We need more, like a whipped cream. Wow guys, I can't imagine I made it. Look at this. Hala. I'm so happy. I think I did it like 5 minutes. 5 minutes or less. So I'm going to prepare now the glass with the milk. You can add ice. It is optional, but I'd love to add ice. So I'll show you while I'm preparing guys. So here's what I'm gonna do guys. I'm gonna put caramel, then let's put the salt, a pinch of salt, inside before we put the milk. This is optional. So we have the caramel, milk, and the ice. So we will add now the whipped coffee. We already put the salt as well. So we already added the milk, the caramel, and the salt with the ice. We're ready to put the whipped coffee. So here's my version of Dalgona coffee. I'm gonna put my toppings, the Kit Kat. This is just for toppings. You only need a little. And you need a straw, of course. This is for stirring. This is straw. I don't have any other straw. So, and hold on, guys. A little bit of caramel. Wow. Who would not love this? Melting caramel on top with a Kit Kat chocolate with caramel and with a whipped coffee and a salted caramel inside. Whoa. Let's try this, guys. So guys, this is my version of Dalgona coffee with salted caramel. Look at this. Bottom is caramel with salt. Top with a whipped coffee. Kit Kat with a caramel syrup. Let's try. Guys, it's so good. It's really good, guys. Really tastes good, guys. I'm not joking. You can add more caramel. It really tastes good. Ang sarap niya, guys. Try nyo, puwera biro. Cheers! So yun na, guys. Halos mauubos ko na siya. Try nyo din. Try the Dalgona coffee with salted caramel. It does really taste good. So guys, I'll see you next time on my vlog. Please like, share, and leave a comment. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys. Bye! Please like, share, and subscribe.